okurugirira aha kuhigana n'obuhabuzi bw'abebembezi abatari bamwe na bamwe omukyanga ekya Greater Masaka abari kureberera ebyamagara nibahabura okugira omwete ogwa rukundo mu bantu okubahwera na no kubajanjaba batine kubanganisa
obirabulode bagala gwe nga tuteyo bwetuuka abulode basanyuka nga n'obulamu bukomawo tebagala bananse zingala gyasi olwokuwaimanyira boti n'obulode obupendika aliko ebyuma n'akowansi twagala abalwadde nga ebatuukawo buli omwagala fayiro gwoba ogikwata buli omwagala gwoba omujanjaba
mwanukudde ne musoma obusawo ensawo gye mugenda abantu mubalabemu Katonda temuddanga kuseereza zammwe nga mulina abalwadde temuli bakitalo mujja kufuuka bakitalo nga buli mulwadde akwagala ojja kufuuka wa muwendo nga buli ajja mu ddwaliro akweyunira ayagala kuba okwata fayiro ye
obumwe enkwatanisa na n'okwehayo ngu nabyo nibyetengwa omu buheereza bw'entunguuka ebyamagara omu byanga byabo.
Please remember that our Lord loves you and will continue to be with you in the journey that you're yet to start, the journey that some of you probably have started. It's not easy, and I know it's going to be hard at times. But we say that when you resilient, when you stick to your values, when you stick to those things that define you, all this will be possible.
You are there to reduce on the maternal mortality rate, as well as morbidity.
Birali omugenyi mukuru Dr. Samuel Kajoba hamwe n'abandi bebembezi omu by'obwegyese babahigire okoreka obukugu buri kumara okurugirira aha sayansi na tekinologiya ebibashomire ngu nabwanyuma behare okuryenguzi.
Sente zitukoze bubi. Lack of money is the source of all evil. We are lowering the standard of teaching, lowering the standards of doing everything.
Those of you who know Madame Helen Mukakaliza, she's very passionate about what we call soft skills. And she's actually a champion of soft skills. And what do we mean by soft skills? These are characteristics or attributes that we need to have in order to live in harmony with each other.
Twenzire kumanya abazire n'abeegi ekyo bari kugamba kandi aba nabo borekire amashemererwa.
Yasinze mu baana bonna naye kino nkyebaliza Katonda.
Mu kusoma kwange ngenda kwebaza abantu bonna babuze abankwatireho abazire ebitongole Cotton Foundation bebari kunshashura nanjye nimbasubiza nti byona n'ibindi birimo kwenda agende giving back to the community.